Salute to 𝐑𝐄𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍, Jamaica worst gamer, best blogger, best reviews. Salute, hey, pre the views, pre the comment. It's all about world of manners, world of respect. Yeah.
Yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S gamer here with another reaction. Pow. And today, guys, we're here with another one from the Dutty Money Riddim by Russian. Obviously, Dutty Money is the Go Club Riddim that Russian revamp. Didn't do too much to it because we can still hear everything in it, and I love it. And I wish other producer will actually take this step, follow this trend that Russian is setting. It's good to follow greatness, and this is great. So it's good to emulate. So I wish others could do this as well. So this is Malie featuring the 9. First, I react to a song from the 9 because I said I'm a G. Malie, you don't know, I'm a G already, bro. So we're gonna jump in on one here and see where the G them are said. Russian, pick up yourself. Dutty Money Riddim. Muss shot. Let's go. The song name Muss shot. Let's go. Hello, sir. Sorry to interrupt your video. We're here with another promotional deal. So this deal is running from the 1st of December to the 31st of December. So make sure say wanna link me in my DMs, Jamaica_words_gamer for your chance to have your channel, to have your music video or audio on this platform. Link me up. Serious artists only. You understand? I feel like Santa Claus, cause it's a December now and a December month. I feel like Santa Claus.
Hey, no mix me with Santa. I be a gun, I just sponsor.
Alright. Back to the video. Concussion. Yo, depending on the song with the Riddim, this is gonna be one rascal juggling, you see. Also on man, link up.
Yeah, we're the party Muss shot. Oh, I'm glad get it like that part.
Oh, Buckland. The boss just smooth with it.
Yeah, we're the party Muss shot. Oh, I'm glad get it like that part. Oh, I'm mad get up catch. Before matic, so me have to drop it up.
Buckland.
Pull up! Yo! Pull up! Let it go!
Yeah! Big up the ladies that we are walking to the party. You know, say the party official from that juggle in your command. Big up yourself, Russian. Are you make it up, my bro? Ready. The nice one, I say, let's go.
Yeah, we're the party Muss shot.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm glad get it like that part.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm mad get up catch. Before matic, so me have to drop it up. She like that.
Money pull up. Buckland. Respect for the J. We just drop 100 on the Buckland turntable. Let's go again. Big up the ladies them and know so them put on them clean clothes and come out clean. Like Jesus police record. Ladies, your time. Visit the bar, don't be a bumbo class combinar. Hey. Let's go.
Yeah, we're the party Muss shot.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm glad get it like that part.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm mad get up catch. Before matic, so me have to drop it up.
What?
She like dance, so she have to cock it up. Me like she, cause she give me slap it up. Yeah, I would speak, I would mashing up the blood.
Level. People, that one are different. If you not enjoy that one, yeah, drop a like on the bumbo class video. Let's go.
I'm a cocky cat. You see for the tan, me nah fi chat. Be a block, long rifle, a lucky block.
Why? Level. Like me say, dog, if you not enjoy that one, you listen to me. Big up all that chopper them when I host. Big up on the bumbo class safe, dog. I be a fat whip walk outside. I be a dahlia walk outside and none of them hand up pop off. Ready? Let's go. Hey. Ready. Ready? We make it bump.
Yeah,
We
where
make it bump.
the party must shot. I want my Glock, get it off hard. I want my mat, get off a catch. For a matic, so me up a job.
Your video clean like Jesus police record.
Cock it up.
Hi.
Me like she, cause she give me slap it up. I would stick, I would mashing up a block. A big thief, so your man get shot.
Thief.
Tell you yes, boys, if it a pick up. Come in, me yard, damn bounce, come and cock it up.
Well, ladies, big up on yourself and not fuck with no bum buckler waist boy, you know. Big up on yourself if you don't know on the work, you know. Remember, say you have to be independent ladies when know them work. If you don't want no waste man, you know. Cause some of them girls that don't know them work, so they go settle for when they can get. That's it. Let's go.
Yeah, I would stick, I would mashing up a block.
Yeah.
A big thief, so your man get shot.
Bang. Tell you yes, boys, if it a pick up. Come in, me yard, damn bounce, come and cock it up. You see for the tan, me nah fit chat. Be a block, long rifle, a lucky black.
How I tease, I'm skinny.
Big up all the thugs that know say them a lucky than it back, you know. Big up all the thugs that know say no boy can run in pan the Benz. Bounce again.
Louis boys if it a pick up. Come in me yard and bounce pa me cocky. You see for the tan me nah fit chat.
Yeah.
Block long rifle a lucky black.
How I tease, and a skinny jeans body. He carry hair, and me rocky G-Shock.
Yo, one time I beard and put on my clothes, me come out, me looking nice. Me looking clean, so the girl them have to look. When me walk past, girl they push about like fall mode. Ready?
Pa me cocky. You see for the tan me nah fit chat. Be a block long rifle a lucky black.
How I tease, and a skinny jeans body. He carry hair, and me rocky G-Shock.
Simple.
Me fuck your whore, and me pussy real fat.
Me fully turns out like a real bat.
Yo, we have fuck some boy girl out there, them not have no choice. Some of them boy and girl not have no choice but for fuck you, cause you don't know say we are the top man. Some of them boy they just a follow back a man. Yeah, your girl up and you have bumbuckler man in a front seat with you. Where your girl there, round her back, what she do? I text me, cause you don't appreciate her pussy. Ready?
Rifle a lucky black.
How I tease, and a skinny jeans body.
Yeah.
He carry hair, and me rocky G-Shock.
Yeah.
Me fuck your whore, and me pussy real fat.
Me fully turns out like a real bat.
Like bomb shot a man shield, greet P-gram. When the prank tell the other one, say the thing mad. Me the ramp, me cool one dance, stadium ramp. Telegram say the idea and it take too long. The man fully charged like extension. The life too mad, yeah, me love sing song. Which one girl there, so nothing can wrong. I saw we love one when we touch big jam, big jam. I will the party must shot. Oh, my Glock, it off hard. Oh, my matic, get off catch. Oh, matic, so me have a drop it up.
She give my brain cause she know the damn mad. Bad bitch gun in a she and bag. She no take taxi, she no.
Yo, big up all the bumbuckler gangster girl them can defend themselves too. Big up all of the gangster girl them know say yo, if them out there and see them man a war, them a go jump into that too. No bumbuckler boy they go beat up a man ladies. No way, let's go.
Matic off catch. For matic, so me have a drop it up.
She give my brain cause she know the damn mad. Bad bitch gun in a she and bag. She no take taxi, she no do one stop. Pull a box pan your pussy and me give the damn chat.
I'm a chica cheat and me have the answer.
Hold on. Where say I go? Ready again.
For matic, so me have a drop it up.
She give my brain cause she know the damn mad. Bad bitch gun in a she and bag. She no take taxi, she no do one stop. Pull a box pan your pussy and me give the damn chat.
I'm a chica cheat and me have the answer. And that the any and the remix star. Catchy vibes, catchy bones, catchy bad. Miami have a cut, 2 shots in her head. I won't chat cause the room I never bear. Miami have a cut, 2 shots in her head. I won't chat cause the room I never bear. But 2 straps say when I get scared. I would that come on home I never heard. But 2 shots so clean from bird. Vibes enough beer, rum cup full stadium. Turn up your bass now my shop. Yeah, jump car, we don't school that never matter where you come from.
Ball game, ready again.
She no do one stop. Pull a box pan your pussy and me give the damn chat.
A chica cheat and me have the answer. And that the any and the remix star. Catchy vibes, catchy bones, catchy bad. Miami have a cut, 2 shots in her head. I won't chat cause the room I never bear. But 2 straps say when I get scared. I would that come.
Yo, the first one listen to the artist here. The artist here bad no bumbuckler. Ready?
Vibes enough beer, rum cup full stadium. Turn up your bass now my shop. Yeah, jump car, we don't school that never matter where you come from. Me extension clip round like Saint and bleach up. Black, brown, dark skin, ash brown. It no matter which one could a USR pound. Me no travel with dirt in the city fat crown. It a make a bag of sound right through we up down.
Bad bitch, me know she freaky bad. Pull up on the block and just release it. Got Sarah up on my jeans and she a pull it like a sweetie bag. Hurt you fuck me, tell her about my client. Them a mean she gone. She say me rich no bumbo.
Level. The boss say yo him have Zara pan him jeans and she a pull it back. Yo, Big up the G them and know about the Zara jeans them and the neatest jeans them on the market. No joke. Fresh to death. Let's go.
Bad bitch, me know she freaky bad. Pull up on the block and just release it got. Sarah up on my jeans and she a pull it like a sweetie bag. Rich fuck me tell about my client and I she gone. She say me rich no bumbo clout. Me gun go clout. Woman make her tongue go fast. Me that.
Yo, level me. Big up the bumbo clout man them. Big up the G them and know say yo from them woman worth I think them I go spend it on them. Them not go wall out on the woman. Cause yeah, some of them boy I mean like bumbo clout star apple. Big up the G them and know big up the G them and big up the G them and know say how them a spend on them bumbo clout woman. Cause some of them boy I mean where they?
She gone. She say me rich no bumbo clout. Me gun go clout. Woman make her tongue go fast. Me dog.
Don't so broad and end up and don't so party. Understart and lift them tongue.
Client them she gone. She say me rich no bumbo clout. Me gun go clout. Woman make her tongue go fast. Me dog.
Don't so broad and end up and don't so party. Understart and lift them tongue. I wish I had to the party more shot. Oh my clock it off a heart. Oh my matic off a catch. For matic so me have a drop it up. She like dance so she have to catch it up. I like she cause she give me slap it up. Yeah, I would stick how mashing up the blood. How big things so your man get chopped. I check a cheat and me have the answer.
Yo, you see them gala in a bumbo class video, yeah? Them skin clean like a done spitting book in a high school. Nothing right in there, clean.
Blood, how big things so your man get chopped. I check a cheat and me have the answer. And that the any and the remix star. Get your vibes, get your bones, get your bad. Mind me have a clock, 2 shots in her head. I wouldn't chat cause the room I never bed. But 2 stops say when I get scared. Oh, that common home I never heard. But 2 shots so green from birth.
Riddim bad like Jamaica Road. Never lie. Yo, big up a sexy girl just walking on this one buckler tenor. Ladies, big up on yourself. One buckler. Food no juggling this. Me say me hope say more and more and more bad song come up on Riddim ya. Russian. Pick the right artist them, not the wrong ones. Pick the right ones where you know say, yo, I go fit the rhythm, bro. Don't overdo the rhythm and don't underdo it. Make it just right, Russian. You know the score already, bro. You can do that, bro. Malie, the 9, big up yourself. You're bad, bro. You're bad, the 9. The 9, you're bad. Malie, big up your bumbo class self, dog. You don't know say you're bad from long time. I'm a rate you from long time. So, big up yourself. Yo, ladies, if you don't like the energy of what you say, if you don't like what I go on over here, make sure you say no subscribe, because no fun don't subscribe, you know. Me G them, if you don't like what I go on, if you don't like what I go on, I want on the music on the platform. Don't know. With that energy, yeah, you don't know if you do already. Link me on my Instagram. Make sure you link me at Jamaica_verse_gamer. You don't know. Link me there so and you don't know so we can make the thing happen. You see me? Alright. Ball game out of here. Let's go.
Salute to 𝐑𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍, Jamaica worst gamer, best blogger, best reviews. Salute, hey, pre the views, pre the comment. It's all about world of manners, world of respect. Yeah.